So I've got my Sideshow Bob hair going because I didn't want to style it yet because I'm fixing to do my skincare. Anyway, so I am so excited. Obviously you can tell by my attitude. This is my first Voxbox from Influenster and I'm super excited to open it. I do know from the email they sent that it's like a collaboration with Saturday Skin, which I love Saturday Skin products, and Sephora, which we all love. So, okay, opening this, there's 4 products and they're all full size and they're like super luxurious. This one is the Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. This is the Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. I am going to use this moisturizer. Oh, wait. There's a mask. So let's do the mask. So again, this is from Saturday Skin. It says they'll leave this on for 20 minutes. So I'm going to put this on camera, and then while we wait, I'll just pause you guys and come back. So this seems very liquidy. I don't want to say the M word because I hate that word. Only half of this side has mesh. And then you apply it to the face. Okay. Alright. Ooh, this smells good. Ooh. Okay. Hey. Ooh. Okay, so it feels really good. It smells good. And then it says to take the other portion of the mesh off and then press into the skin. I kind of jacked that up. That's okay. I don't know if I was supposed to put this side on my face or not, but I think so. I don't know. It's like folded into itself. Okay. Alright, alright, alright. I think we got it. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Hold on. I feel like this side is higher. Okay. Alright. Ooh. Okay, so the outside of this mask feels like kind of rubbery, but it is super soft and smooth. Alright. I'll be back. Okay, so it's been longer than 20 minutes because I had to empty my SD card so that I could keep filming. But anyway, so it's like super hard now, but I'm gonna try to peel this off from the top. Ooh. Okay. So I ripped it. Whoa. Alright. Okay. It says to press what's left into your skin, so I'm just using what's left in the packet. It says to press it into the skin. Whew. So now I'm going to go to the Featherweight Daily Moisturizing Cream, also from Saturday Skin. So this works just like my Juice Beauty Moisturizer as far as the device. Okay, so you squeeze the top and spread it with your fingers. Ooh. It smells a lot like my Juice Beauty one. It smells very fruity. So it's very moisturizing. It's pretty thick. It's like a body butter, but I like that because my skin is pretty dry except for in my T-zone, but I moisturize everything. Okay. It feels really good. It feels really moisturizing. I'm gonna wait and see if my skin has any kind of reactions. So we'll see how it acts throughout the day, how it reacts with my makeup. I'm about to film a tutorial, but I'll see you guys next time. And remember, if you think it's too much, just put one more thing on. Go dazzle them, doilies. Okay, seriously, like, do you see this one piece of hair? What is this? What is this? What is that? Why? What? What's wrong with this look? That's cute. Okay,